While COVID-19 hospitalizations drop, cases of another virus have also plummeted in the past 3 years. The Portland Press Herald reports cases of pertussis, or whooping cough, have declined from almost 30 cases per 100,000 people in 2019 to around 7 per 100,000 this year. 2019's rate was the second highest in the nation at the time. The bacterial infection can cause a severe, persistent cough. The drop in cases has coincided with COVID-19 restrictions like masking and social distancing, as well as a new law that eliminated religious and philosophical exemptions for school-required vaccines. The pertussis vaccine is one of those required shots. State officials say for the past school year, more than 95% of kindergarten students got that vaccine, as well as vaccines to protect against polio and measles. Despite the decline in cases, health officials say more time is needed to see whether higher rates of immunization stop the virus from spreading as it once did.